In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a logo using the Wix Logo Maker. This is a fantastic tool available online for anyone looking to design a unique and professional logo without the need for advanced graphic design skills. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to visit the Wix Logo Maker website, which you can find at wix.com/logomaker. Once you're there, take a moment to explore the interface and get familiar with the layout. It's important to note that this tool is designed to be user-friendly, even for beginners. When you're ready to create your logo, look for the button labeled Get My Logo. Clicking on this will start your journey toward designing your logo with just a few clicks. Next, you'll find an option to Create a Logo. Go ahead and click on that. This step takes you into the main workspace where the magic happens. Now you have the choice to create with or without the chat feature. For today's tutorial, we'll continue by selecting Create Without Chat. This choice streamlines the process for those who prefer working independently. Now it's time to input some details about your business. This helps the Wix AI understand the context and style you might be aiming for. Enter the type of business you have. It can be anything from a tech startup to a cozy cafe. Once you've entered this information, click on Next. Moving forward, you'll be prompted to select a vibe that resonates with your business identity. This step is about conveying the right mood or atmosphere through your logo. Pick what speaks to you and represents your brand's personality best. Once done, go ahead and click Next. Now comes a creative moment. It's time to type in what you want in your logo. This could be your business name or a key aspect you'd like included. Make sure it aligns with the message or image you want your logo to portray. Once you're satisfied, hit Next. You will then be asked for your tagline or slogan. This is optional, but it can add a nice touch if your brand uses one. Enter your tagline, ensuring it's clear and concise. After entering all your information, click on Done. This finalizes the setup portion and leads you to the exciting part, choosing your logo. At this point, the Wix Logo Maker will present you with a variety of logo options based on the information and preferences you've provided. Browse through the different templates and styles, and select the one that captures the essence of your brand. And there you have it, a customized logo created using the Wix Logo Maker in just a few simple steps. Designing a logo doesn't have to be daunting or expensive, and with tools like this, anyone can achieve a professional look for their brand. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating your unique logo.